You're looking for a light that you could take with you, hang up, turn on remote control, adjust the levels of light with hours of end of PIR use for 60 hours on standby, 8,000 milliamp battery. We're going to show you briefly what this light is about. From the Veron store is a motion sensor LED battery operated light with the remote control that will light up in a shed, a ceiling, a foyer, a bathroom, a closet, anywhere that you need to put light. With the remote control that works up to 26 feet, 8,000 milliamp battery, lasts up to 60 days and senses motion. We're opening up to show you how nicely packaged and protected it is with the USB-C charging cable. Made of plastic, frosted cover with the hanging bracket that simply rotates and snaps off to hang up and lock into place. Hardware screws and anchors, remote control, and instruction guide. Remember to peel out the plastic tab to operate the battery. It's a USB-C driven plug that you simply plug into power, portable power, or electric brick charge up for the first time. It has a red indicator in the PIR sensor and a number of switches from 3000, 4500, 6000 Kelvin. The light can be turned on, automatic, or off. Our demonstration purposes is turning the light on the soft Kelvin, switching to the coolest Kelvin next, and then the medium Kelvin thereafter. In order to use the remote control, the light must be put on, and then you're able to turn off and on your light up to 26 feet away. We have a couple of modes to choose from, and you have a timer as well. A close-up shot of the remote control. As you notice, the light comes on and off and shuts off after 20 seconds of no motion. When motion is detected, the light will go on. We're going to demonstrate hanging the light up in the area that needs to have light. Simply adjust, hang, and lock down. Hanging a light is simply placing on and rotating. Simple as that. Turn the light on, automatic, and simply walk away. Walking into the light's PIR sensor lights up the light, adjusting to the Kelvin of your desire, if it's a warm to a cool. We have the remote control. Hitting on the 5D joystick can lower the level of lighting and increasing it to the light levels you desire. Changing the Kelvin to the different levels and then back to a default. Able to shut off the light and turn on the light and place it on a timer. On the remote control, the on, the off, nighttime sensor, daytime sensor, increase and decrease of the light, and change the Kelvins WW to the cool white to the center, 15 minute, 30 minute, 60 minute, and timer for 2 hours. As we walk near the light will light up. We can increase the light, and it has a memory where it leaves off at. It will blink to let you know that you're on the maximum level of lighting. Put in the shower's top. Put in the closet, the laundry room, linen room, a storeroom, in the front hall, in the back door, anywhere that you need to have light. In a low profile ceiling, like so. The battery operated light with the PIR sensor 26 feet to light up your areas of need. Removable and USB-C driven to recharge with the remote control and an on or automatic with daytime and nighttime motion. Maybe something that you are looking for in your lighting needs. Thank you for viewing.